Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this particular lecture, we are going to talk about the DNA polymerase enzymes that are present. DNA polymerase enzymes that are present and how to remember the different polymerases in prokaryotes and eukaryotes and whether they are involved in the process of leading strand synthesis as well as lagging strand synthesis. This is something that we need to remember, and we will apply our knowledge with the help of this simple mnemonic videos. You will remember this for lifetime, and for this you need to remember only this particular image. You need to put your mind for only one sentence and one simple image. This is the image. The image here is of a 3D printer. If you don't know, this is a 3D printer image, a really advanced 3D printer image. Although I don't know whether this image, this company is the number one, but our sentence is world's number one leading 3D lab printer. World's number one leading 3D lab printer is one single sentence with which you can easily remember the name of the polymerase and the leading or lagging strand that they synthesize. Okay, so we'll break it down. All the capital letters that are found in here, are involved with some important information. The small letters that are involved, the words with the small letters are generally placed to make a sentence. So we have number one, we have leading, LE both capital, we have 3D capital, we have LA capital. So start with this. We'll go to this leading term here. Okay, so words number one means I'll write pol1 or polymerase 1. Okay, polymerase 1 is an important enzyme in the process of the replication in prokaryotes. So in prokaryotes, the name of the enzymes is polymerase 1, 2 and 3, while in eukaryotes the name is polymerase epsilon, delta, gamma, all this. Okay, so pol1 gets separated. Then we have leading. So we have leading, LE. So again let me write L for leading strand synthesis, and who does that? 3 means pol3. Pol3 from the prokaryotes helps in the leading strand synthesis. And what else we have? We have E, capital E. So I'll take capital E is for epsilon, pol epsilon, right? So pol epsilon in eukaryotes also involved in this leading strand synthesis. Leading strand synthesis. So both pol epsilon in case of eukaryotes, pol 3 in case of prokaryotes involved in the process of leading strand synthesis. Next, if you look at D for pol delta. In case of eukaryotes, pol delta involved with the LA for lagging strand synthesis, right? Polymerase delta in case of eukaryotes involved in the lagging strand synthesis. Similarly, pol 1 that we left alone earlier, world's number one leading 3D lab printer, number one for pol 1, it is involved with the prokaryotic replication for the lagging strand, and also removal of the Okazaki fragments, filling the gap is done by the pol 1. So that is the thing. Leading, lagging, both strands are synthesized by this pol 3 in case of prokaryotes, but pol 1 is involved not only lagging but actually in reality removal of Okazaki. Remember, removal of Okazaki fragment is something done by pol 1. Okay, so world's number one leading 3D lab printer, pol 1 with Okazaki fragment removal, that is done in the lagging strand of the prokaryotic DNA, and both the leading 3D printer. So pol 3 for prokaryotes leading strand synthesis, pol epsilon is for eukaryotes leading strand synthesis, while pol delta is for the lagging strand synthesis in eukaryotes. Okay, that's how easy it is. You can remember that pol epsilon and pol 3 both are involved in the leading strand synthesis in case of eukaryotes and prokaryotes respectively, while pol delta in eukaryotes synthesize lagging strand, while pol 1 is involved in the Okazaki fragment removal in lagging strand in prokaryotes. So that's going to give you all this information regarding the DNA polymerases and their role. I believe this video helps you out understanding the list, understanding this concept and remembering and revising the topic very fast just before the exam. These videos are going to be lifesaver just right before the exam. Revise with the help of this video and series of videos. Watch them in this channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you.